Welcome, everybody, to another episode of In the Divide, where we're bringing all things crypto together with Algorand. So hopefully you're doing good today. I need you to come in, like the video, subscribe. I need you to do this. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, 100 subscribers. We're also doing an NFT giveaway when we get to 100 subscribers. Leave a comment down below. Let's go into what the news I want to share with you for today. So, as you know, there's a lot of stuff that's been going on. And one of the key things that I want to do on this channel is keep you informed of things that are happening and things that are about to happen. So Algorand is doing some things. All this stuff with the market, sometimes it gets you to look at things that are not real. What I'm saying when I say not real is that because everything seems to be falling down, people come up with these cryptos are dead, everything's going to zero, that fear allows you to see things that might happen, and it might happen and it feels real. And it is a possibility. I'm not saying it's not a possibility, because what I'm telling you is I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you, but I am giving you the information that hopefully educates and hopefully does a little bit of entertaining. But this is what we have to fight in this market, is the fear. So what I try to do is give you information to inform your fear, that you may be able to now manage what you need to manage. So as you see, Singapore venture firm launches another $100 million Web3 and Metaverse fund. So what I wanted to highlight to this is that all this money is still being pumped into cryptocurrency. It's never going to zero if people continue to pump millions and billions of dollars into this industry. And the reason they're pumping money into the industry is because they understand the money that's in it, the things that it's going to be actually worth. Their gamble is the technology and the things that they're actually looking to invest in. They know it's going to be a place in this. So this is the metaverse. Metaverse, people understand that this is the next place where you're going to be able to monetize for retailers, to get eyes in front of you, because more and more people are becoming digitally connected to the computer, to where you always have some digital footprint, because you have access to mobile computers, because your phone is the computer. It can attach you to anything. It's a lifeline. Most people are with their phone more than their spouse and their family. So it is now an important marketing standpoint to these people. So I want to read you this thing here. So NGC Metaverse Ventures, the company's third blockchain fund, raised $100 million from investors that included Babel Finance, Huobi Ventures, Nexo Ventures, Ultimi, and GBIC. The fund will allocate capital towards high potential projects in the Web3 economy, according to Roger Lim, the NGC Ventures general partners. The Web3 fund has already invested in 3 startups, NGC disclosed on Wednesday. Based in Singapore, NGC Ventures was founded in 2017 as a blockchain and fintech focused venture firm. It was an early investor in Solana and Algorand and Oasis, among others. This is another venture firm that's been working with Algorand that now raised another 100 million in the chance to get in on some of these startups dealing with the metaverse. It's going to be big. And think about this: more people are staying at home. More people are, like I said, are in this digital economy. And what happens when you're going to get actually part of what you can have as a salary from playing a job, being connected to the internet? That's where this thing is going. And if these companies are in a position to get in early, they stand to make a large sum of money. Also, I need you to look at this. Former Binance executive launched a $100 million crypto fund. I want you to see this because these connections to Algorand are apparent. And this fund that they're investing is for a particular thing. And I want to read this to you right here. Old Fashioned Research, whose name is derived from the classic cocktail, was founded in late 2021 by managing partners Ling Zhang, who was previously the vice president of M&A investments at Binance, and Wang Fu, former head of corporate development at the crypto exchange. The fund will be focused on the metaverse and bringing greater crypto adoption to emerging markets like Latin America and Africa, Zhang said to TechCrunch. Now, let me tell you why this connection to Algorand is apparent. Is that not only do we understand that Algorand in El Salvador are in a position to try to get Bitcoin as the legal tender our currency in that El Salvador, Latin America region, that blockchain is using Algorand to run all the specs and to run it, to make it everything smooth. It's just using Bitcoin as the legal tender, but the Algorand chain is the thing that's running that network. And then going into Africa, we already understand what Algorand has just did with Coinbanks, which Coinbanks is also in Latin America. So this is another kind of partnership that they're partnering with that doesn't have the name Algorand, but is closely related because it's in the scope and it's in the realm that they've been actually working in. Algorand is stealthily putting itself in positions where their adoption is going to increase at an astounding pace. Understand this. This is a project. Hold on. This is a project was operating in stealth mode until today. It has invested in more than 50 blockchain projects today, including blockchain analytics platform, Nansen trading platform, Moon Network, Move to earn NFT game, Genopets, in Africa's largest gaming community, Metaverse Magna. Now, this is the market that people are focusing on right now, is because that emerging markets is going to be a very, very big market because they're now untapped. That now, if you can get that market on, the market that most banks overlook, most governments overlook, that's money that you can now initially put on your platform. Now invest in your platform, and it gives you so much monetary power. Last but not least, let me drop you here. This here is about crypto regulation. Crypto regulation is coming, is coming, is coming, is coming. This divide isn't inevitable. Senator Christian Gillibrand and Cynthia Lummis are on the brink of announcing a long-awaited regulatory framework for crypto. Should they succeed, this will be the first real bipartisan step towards achieving both consumer protection and market clarity. The type of compromise that America's Americans of all political stripes can get behind. So this right here is a big thing. This is the background. Once crypto regulation starts, it legitimizes, it gives institutions, it gives people building an idea of a solid direction. It basically tells you what lines you can color into. And right now, there's no lines, there's no guidelines to say this is what the parameters is. And this is the danger, this is the uncertainty, this is one of the wild things about crypto, because DeFi in one place ain't DeFi in another, centralized in one place ain't centralized and another, decentralized and not really decentralized. It's the framework is too all over. But once you bring a clarity to where everyone's playing in the same pool, then you can understand the adoption. Then you can understand people putting more money because they're putting it in based on the regulations, the surety. And this is one of the things that money really wants. It wants surety. The understanding that this here investment is going into this structure, and I can make money based on the structure that they've given me. This is the big thing. Once crypto has this step, then they're unstoppable. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this, the direction that the crypto's going in, the direction that Algorand is going in. This is Sam Houston, hoping that your tomorrow is better than your today. I'm out.